Hello everyone, today we make something new, so I make the copy, same, and you know how to click light, okay, let's start, open our level blueprint and before on actor begin overlap, we make this is on tick, so you can just make custom event, name it tick what you want, and then in the sequence I'll make it sequence. You can connect, you can drag it and write ein tick, and here we have our event. So the impulse will go here and then we'll take it from here. So I make this view custom events and you can use it. So what is here? We take our point light, only simple set intensity, light intensity, and you make ein random float in range, also drag drop, random float and random float in range. And yes, we can value what we want. And by end overlap, we use our set intensity to null. So is overlap and is overlap while tick go every frame, and we don't need this. We need only when we overlap it. If we overlap, this our variable come to true, and then it will everything work. So this is first effect. We can make little dunkel. We select our also direct light and make null looks. Yes, look pretty cool. Okay, next effect is again we on begin overlap and tick is the same set intensity, and random float in range is the same, but we make null and chain, although we can take for null for chain number, and if this number is more than 5, then become true and the light will for example 5000, then lower than 5 then false, and we'll see our intensity will null, so not work. So we have this blitz effect. Next one is we make the same, but not with tick. We make it with timeline. So with timeline we make float, name it again, and shift press and left mouse button we can value what we want. And then the same set intensity our point light and multiply for 10,000 for example, and when end overlap we set our light intensity null and stop our timeline. Und the wichtige, we need to loop this. Okay, and then we have this effect. Also, everything is very simple. And the last one, we make the same with tick. We add our light to array. We in for a video, in 2 oder 1 make the same thing. Then we get a random integer in range, for example 0 von 0 bis 12, while we have here 12. So if we have more, we can set it max. We can, if you have 100 or 1000 and you don't know how it, you can take your light, get length, and this is maximal length. You can always connect from max to max, and it will von 0 is maximal you want. And the same set light intensity. Before we here random range more than 5 and false und true. Und bei End Overlap machen wir alles auf. And you can see we go here and have this effect. Yeah, need to check is this valid. So. Also last index, while the length we have von 0 bis maximal, and it can change in the frame. That's we can take some conflict and some failure. Okay, and we add some satellite color. Also satellite color we use from our light component, from our light. Get light component and drag satellite color, and we can here value nur 1 what we want. For example, green, and then we have everything. It will be green. If you want different color, you need to make some array. We make color array for, we add in variable, we add some color. This name ist egal, welche name. Und we select here and write ein color on the first. Jetzt we make some array. Compile, save. Jetzt we can add a few what we want: blau, red, or someone else. And we can always make this color array. Get last index. If you have a lot of different color, it was and we take this von 0 bis our last index bis 5 und some random, und we get this and set new light color, and we will take a different color. Well, it's very simple. And for the end we can always use our light source. So we take our direct light source, although this is directional light. And auch take red minus button create reference light source in our level blueprint and then connect it. Here we don't need to connect from array while we have no one light source. Compile, save, play. What effect we have? Although have iron disco. So everything is simple. You can look and make it. Thank you for watching.